Hi everyone, Mrs. Melton here. I have had a lot of questions about how to check the status of student grades and to see if things have been turned in or completed or not. So this is just a short video to show both parents, guardians, and students how to check their grades on Canvas. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and then hopefully you'll be able to follow along with me. So when you log onto Canvas, you'll see the courses, or I don't know that I'm in the student view version of it right now. But when you get into Canvas, you'll probably see a bunch of boxes like this that look, you'll see mine for humanities, and then you'll see math, science, and their other classes. So if you click on humanities, that will take you to my home page, which should look something like this. You might be missing some of these things off to the side. So I'm going to click on student view here so I can access this as if I were a student. I don't know why when I do this, these things don't show up, but you will click on the remote. And then up here where it says arrange by, you want to make sure that that says module. If you do it by, like, let's say due date, which might be how it pops up originally, it's going to start showing you the assignments from like the very beginning of the year. So this is taking a long time to load. But yeah, so if you do it by due date, you're going to see like the first assignment that was assigned at the beginning of the school year. But if you do it by module, you'll be able to see the most recent module. So for everything that we have been doing since school has been out, it's in a module called remote learning assignments. So you'll see the date in front of it. The date should be a time that we have been out of school. And then if you just want to confirm, if you hover over it and it says remote learning assignments, that's something that has been assigned while we've been out of school. Below that, you'll start seeing the other assignments from before we were out of school. So over here where it says out of, that is not the points that the student has received, that's how many points possible. So if it's a 0, that means that I'm going and checking it from somewhere else. So like their student workbook pages, they're not uploading that onto Canvas. I'm going into their Google Drive and checking the pages. So that's why it's out of 0. Whereas for the essential questions, that has a 4 on it because when they click on this, the student obviously hasn't submitted, but they'll actually go in and type in an answer for it. So that's why that is out of 4. If we go back to this screen, so if you see an X here, it means that the student has not done the assignment. So I've gone through, I've checked it, and they have not done the assignment or have not finished it. If you see just these dashes, that means that I haven't graded it yet, so the Kahoot quiz isn't due until tomorrow. The student workbook isn't due until next Monday because they get a week to do it. The essential questions has been graded. If there's a check mark, it means that it has been submitted. So hopefully that is helpful. If you have more questions, go ahead and just email me, call me, jump in during office hours, and hopefully we can get this figured out. And thank you for giving me grace and having patience, and I hope that everyone is safe and healthy. Bye.